Hello, once again, my YouTube people. Today we are going to solve this differential equation because this is a part of my two-part series of solving homework problems on the internet. Now, now, let's begin. So we have this um, linear differential equation. Yes, this is a linear one. I'm confused because I'm doing two sections of homework right now. Linear and exact differential equations. And this one is a linear one. So we have this linear differential equation that we have to solve. So, first things first, we have to get into standard form. And to do that, we divide both sides, everything by this x right here to get rid of that, to get that dx dy alone. So we take that, and then we end up with dx dy plus 4y plus 1 over, what word is this? 1 over x times 4y equals x squared minus 1. Okay, boom. So then we could figure out what p of x equals. P of x, we could actually simplify this to 4 over x 4 over x times y. So then p of x, this is from the standard form equation, equals 4 over x. And to figure out our integrating factor, we take e to the integral of p of x, which is e to the integral of 4 over x. So we could take the 4 out front and get e to the 4 times the integral of 1 over x, and as we know, the integral of 1 over x is 4 times ln of x. And then simplifying this down, those two cancels out, it ends up being x to the 4th power. Oh, sorry, I just ate some Panda Express and it's like clogging up my throat holes right now. And also, sorry about this bad handwriting. It's not just my handwriting, it's also this thing that I'm writing on. I mentioned it in my last video if you watched that, but I'm pretty sure nobody has. So then we put it back into our equation. We put it into our equation to solve it, which is d over dy times, well, e to the p of, or whatever, e to the integral of p of x, which is just, as we know, x to the 4th times y equals the integral of x to the 4th times x squared minus 1 dx, because we're going to doubt. It's actually, we take the integral of both sides, which, you know, this is an x right here, which cancels this out, you know, and we end up with x to the 4th y equals the integral of x to the 4th x squared minus 1 dx. Put the parentheses in there. Which, if we distribute this x in this x to the 4th into both sides, we end up with the integral of x to the 6th minus x to the 4th. Whoops, x to the 4th dx. And integrating this, we get x to the 7th over 7 minus x to the 5th over 5 plus, of course, c. Don't forget your plus c. So, and then that leads us to x to the 4th times y equals that. So we divide both sides by x to the 4th, x to the 4th, x to the 4th, and, of course, c. So, and then that simplifies to y equals x to the 3rd over 7 minus x over 5 plus x to the 4th c. X to the negative 4th c. Oops. Which is the answer to our differential equation. And it is between the values of 0 to infinity, and it is transient, so I'll just put a t there so we know. So yes, that is the solution to the differential equation x times x times dx over dy plus 4y equals x to the third minus x. Thank you for watching. Amen.